Hey, Barry Wilson here, Wilson Auto Repair. I'll take off my glasses. Look at this. We are in the process of painting this Bronco, and DeWitt is very particular. As you can see, there's paper everywhere, plastic everywhere, everything's taped off. The first step was yesterday we washed it with a steam cleaner and washed everything off. Now today, you can see those black lines. That's like silicone sealer. We call it seam sealer. So he's gone around on all the areas where there's a crack or a seam and has put in seam sealer. Kind of looks cool right there. And he now has the back all sealed off because he's going to work on the front first, get it all done, and then work his way around. Takes a while to get one of these painted. Oop, I almost tripped. But it will look gorgeous when he's done because he's such a professional at what he does. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Stay tuned. We're going to send you some more videos about this Bronco. Look at my website, wilsonauto.com.